Wul, kembali lagi bersama saya John Battle dan kali ini kita akan bermain atau melanjutkan series Career Mode Sassuolo dan kita akan melihat klasemen sementara Serie A dan di sini ada Inter Milan sebagai pemuncak klasemen sementara, Juventus peringkat kedua, Fiorentina peringkat ketiga, AC Milan peringkat keempat dan Sassuolo di peringkat kelima. Sementara AS Roma dan juga Lazio di peringkat 6 dan 7. Dan lawan kita selanjutnya itu adalah Torino yang bertengger di posisi ke-8 ya. Tentunya kita perlu untuk hasil menang ya untuk mendongkrak posisi kita. Jika kita berhasil menang, ya mungkin setidaknya kita bertahan di zona Eropa dan kalau kita menang dan AC Milan imbang atau kalah, kita bisa menggeser posisi mereka di peringkat keempat ya. Oke, langsung aja ke pertandingannya. Let's go. Oke, kita advance dulu ya. Oke, ini dia transfer yang kemarin terjadi. 4 juta ya. Pierak Nulo. Oke, good job. Dan uang akan ditransfer di bursa transfer musim dingin ya. Oke. Hah? Cuma 2.830, Pak. Anjir, dari 4 juta dipotong 1.100.000 sekian, Pak. Bangke emang. Oke, nggak apa lah. Yang penting kita dapat amunisi ya. Oke, kita konferensi pers dulu. Ini ya, John Battle. Berardi tentu saja sangat siap untuk pertandingan kali ini. Kapten kita, apalagi dengan kembalinya kompatriot dia atau tandem dia, yaitu Andrea Pinamonti. Dan Cande tentu saja akan selalu menjadi pilihan utama ya di area center back. Oke, ini dia untuk formasi. Ntar ini saya ganti dulu ya baiknya ya. Mungkin gini. Nah, cocok. Oke. Oke, langsung saja kita ke Mape Stadium. Ini dia. Tentunya hasil kemenangan akan sangat berarti bagi kita ya. Menggunakan formasi 5 back, 5-3-2. Formasi baru yang sejauh ini sangat worth it.
The scene is set, two good teams, a great playing surface and a vibrant atmosphere. It has all the ingredients for a really exciting game.
And so for the Sassuolo starting lineup.
On paper, it looks a fairly cautious approach because unless they're
Doik.
get into more advanced areas, I'm not sure.
Astaga, masuknya kepada Berardi tadi ya.
Look at the starting lineup for Torino.
Well, it's a defensive lineup, that's for sure. But their wing backs and at least one of
Oke, Pinamonti kosong. Astaga, Berardi kenapa pas kiper? Aduh. Oke, corner. Oke. Tandukan yang baik tadi dari pemain kita ya. Berardi. Oke, tendangan gawang. Sundulan dari Kone tadi ya. Masih belum mampu. Nata pemain mereka, Pak. Anjir, gak cornernya. Oke, duel. Moremovic. Cakep. Wis, Bang Jai. Menyala Bang Jai. Oke. Berardi. Bam. Oke. Siu. Bam. Selebrasi Siu. Gelo, kapten kita bos, Domenico Berardi. Berapa gol dia kita ya? Top skor sementara kita Domenico
Well, here
Berardi.
it is again, and it's a superbly weighted through ball to break that defensive line. And then through on goal, you never really had any doubt that he wouldn't slot that away. It's a cool finish.
Asis dari Torsved tadi ya, pam, membayar kesalahan di tendangan sebelumnya ya.
And the ball moving again. What sort of response will we see from them now? Tamez. Casade. Now here's Biragi. Delivered into the area
Duel.
here.
Bahaya. Oke, Murik.
And made the save.
Penampilan yang sangat bagus dari Murik sejauh ini. Mungkin untuk kiper nanti kita cuman pakai Turati dan Murik aja ya. Karena kalau 3 kiper itu nggak terlalu kepake juga, Pak.
Christian Torsved.
Berardi. Astaga, Doik
Out of play
terlalu
for
lama.
Sassuolo throw.
Oke, melebar dulu pada Koulibaly.
Fali Conde. Nemanja Matic has it. Domenico Berardi.
Doik,
What to like about that pass?
Doik. Astaga, oke, dapat.
Ball back with Sassuolo here. Ismael Kone. And on to Torsved.
Doik.
Well, let's see about the cross.
Astaga.
And he clears the
Duel
danger.
Bang Jai.
Yeah,
Bang
just
Jai
got to
selalu
clear your
menyala,
lines
Bung.
there.
Oke, Domenico Berardi.
Can he?
Uh,
Hiding from the
tinggi
front,
sekali.
and really should have extended their lead.
Well, that was a poor miss. Could they come to regret that?
Oke ya, menggunakan kaki lemahnya. Duel. Wih, menyala Bang Jai. Menyala Bang Jai.
Andrea Pinamonti.
Pinamonti cari tempat.
His opponent. Is it going to be?
Astaga, Domenico Berardi.
Emphasis on the clearance, a good one.
Aduh,
Well, this looks really
itu
productive. What can they do from this position?
Well, had that gone in, they would be in complete control of this game. As it is,
astaga.
they're still going to be a bit nervy.
Berardi, Pak, 2 peluang.
Tanez. And support available.
Oke,
Well read to put an end to
Kone
that
pada
attack.
Pinamonti. Pinamonti lari. Kone kenceng juga, Pak.
Big chance.
Kone sikat.
Oh,
Astaga.
tremendous reflex action
Kok nyikatnya
there from
gitu,
the
Pak?
keeper.
Well, he didn't have long to react, did he?
Oke, Berardi mengambil tendangan pojok.
I have to say.
Trying to pick out a teammate.
Astaga, Kone.
So 1 minute of stoppage time. That's what the officials have.
Astaga, siapa itu?
And it's a
Aduh,
goal. Level again.
Doi kah?
What a match this is turning out to be.
Well, here it is again, and I have to say,
Oh
the
iya, Pak.
defending is so
Aduh,
poor. They make so many bad decisions.
Lembek
there.
kali
No
kau.
wonder the keeper's exposed.
Perlu latihan strength. 1-1.
The first half
Oke.
here comes to an
Babak
end.
pertama ya.
And away they go again. The second half is up and running. It did look on for them, but not to be.
Oke,
And that last touch means a
job
throw-in for
Berardi.
them. Marcus Holmgren Pedersen.
Oke, Doik.
And that'll be a Torino ball. And the pass
Torstvedt.
deftly cut out.
That's
Aduh,
really good
Berardi
awareness
jangan
there.
maju dulu, weh.
More live football from Serie A coming up for you here on EA TV. It's
Pinamonti.
Sassuolo against Bologna. That's a good ball.
Torstvedt. Oke, Torstvedt. Pinamonti kosong.
And he's
Pinamonti.
back
Astaga.
here. Magnificently.
Sepertinya GG sih.
Ilic. Marcus Holmgren Pedersen.
Wis, menyala Bang Jai, menyala Bang Jai. Oke, Berardi kali ini.
Well, he's been the standout for his side so far, don't you think, Stuart?
Yeah, I think
Astaga,
he'll be
ya
happy with that
Allah.
first 25 minutes.
Salah
It's a
saya,
good
harusnya,
goal and a good overall performance from him. But
umpan
the next
lambung
goal is
gitu
gonna
ya.
be key, I think.
Well, he's certainly not alone.
Wis, Marimovic.
Wasn't going to let that one get through.
Berardi,
Such a
aduh.
vital block there.
And showing good game awareness.
Apa ini Berardi kok? Tadi di babak pertama mantap, sekarang
Marcus Holmgren Pedersen.
aduh Doik.
Read it well and made the save.
2 kali blunder hampir.
Here it is now, a substitution.
Ya Sade. Oke, kita ganti dulu Berardi ya. Padera boleh main situ. Oke, satu lagi mungkin Astor Frank kita bisa mainkan di DM.
Will this corner bear fruit for them?
Oke, Volpato. Volpato ini tinggi juga ya, kuat untuk duel-duel udara. Bahaya, Marimovic. Astaga. Llorente. Duh,
20 minutes to go. Playing with a flow and intensity. And the cross not quite imaginative
oke,
enough.
Wulukewicz.
Astor Franks.
Well, it's been a
Doik
frustrating
kosong.
day for
Pinamonti
the
cari
fans.
tempat.
They want a goal. They're urging them to attack now.
Pinamonti.
Hang on, Stuart,
Sendiri.
big chance here.
Astaga,
Well,
ya Allah,
he
Pinamonti.
on the shot, but he couldn't put it away.
Well, you're right.
Finishing
He
apa itu, Pak?
strikes it well, but he's got his angles all wrong there.
Aduh. Belum mengembalikan kepercayaan setelah cedera sih. Setelah cedera 3 bulan. Duh,
Successful intervention, winning the ball back. More live football
Press,
from
press,
Serie
press.
A coming up for you here on EA TV. It's Torino taking on Cagliari. Could we see some late drama here?
duel. Oke, Pinamonti sendiri.
John the break.
Kuat kali ini, kuat. Oke,
This could be
Llorente.
troublesome.
Hajar. Ya Allah, pas tengah lagi, Pak.
Made it look routine.
What happened with striker?
Che Adams read that pass all the way, cutting it out.
Padera.
Well, they're showing
Duh,
great energy
Volpato.
here, and that's being matched by the fans. What an atmosphere.
Llorente maju. Aduh.
Franks. Lovely intricate passing. Well, I think the
Llorente,
classic commentator's
Llorente.
curse just then. Couldn't make the ideal pass.
Bahaya.
He's in with a chance.
1 menit lagi.
Tanez.
Oke, imbang 0-0. Sorry, 1-1. Anjir, peluang kita banyak, Pak. Tapi striker kita
Good quality football played.
perlu rotasi sih kalau gini sih. Harus ya, walaupun AC Milan imbang juga ya. Harusnya ini menjadi momentum bagi kita.
Grazie per aver accettato di rispondere alle nostre domande.
Pinamonti.
Abbiamo finito. Grazie di
Parkir dulu lah. Oke, lawan Bolonya. Muaremovic. Oke, biarin di wide back ya. Lawan kita adalah Bolonya. Ini dia. Kita ke press conference dulu.
Salve a tutti. Siamo pronti, direi che possiamo cominciare.
Domenico Berardi bisa parkir dulu aja ya.
Scusate, ma dobbiamo...
Oke, kita pakai mana Skelerup? Nah, ini dia. Volpato tadi oke. Oke, gini aja ya. Langsung Stadio Renato Dallara.
When you're in charge at times like this, the pressure really is on. And even in the sanctuary of the dressing room, the noise from outside will be coming through. Hello and welcome. Hopefully you're able to stay
Ini dia
nice
musim
and warm
salju.
wherever you're tuning in from. I'm Guy Mowbray and I'm joined by Sue Smith for commentary. We've got a game coming up for you from
Orsolini.
Serie A. It's Bologna and they play Sassuolo.
Oke.
I think it's so important that both teams start on the front foot, take the game to the opposition, and an early goal
Matic.
would certainly settle any nerves.
This is how the hosts line up.
It's a 4-5-1, or you could say a 4-2-3-1. This does offer plenty of threat going forward with the
crossing
three behind the central
buruk tadi ya.
striker. We may see the wide midfielders cut in and the fullbacks push on, while the defence is still protected from the two holding.
Here's the Sassuolo team sheet.
Yeah, it's a 4-5-1, but it will morph into a 4-2-3-1. The single centre forward will be supported by the number 10, and you'd expect them to rotate and swap positions just to try and drag the
Oke, Kone.
out.
Hold on, Sue.
Hajar.
Come in here.
Astaga, terus ini bukan crossbow challenge, bangkir.
Well, 3-1 goal, you've got to show
Nah, ini
more
dia,
sense
John
here.
Battle ya.
He's just put his head down and whacked it. It's not good enough.
Ayo, semangat, semangat, semangat. Finishing macam apa itu?
Mora. Orsolini.
Doik, good job.
Ball given away. Matic.
Pinamonti.
Pinamonti.
Oke, Koulibaly.
Lovely, incisive ball.
Astaga.
Not the end result that was hoped
Pierini.
for.
Oke, Jayces, Muaremovic.
Matic. Advantage played. No
Tuh,
kick.
Doik.
Well, news coming through of a penalty
Crossing
in one of the
apa,
other
Doik?
matches. Alex Scott can fill us in.
Yeah, it was a penalty.
Terus Tosvet sih, ngeri sih.
That he struck it straight down the middle. Goalkeeper had no chance. It's now 1-0
Astaga.
with 23 minutes played.
As ever, thank you, Alex. Moving the ball forward, hoping something might open up.
Oke, Murik. GG.
Matic.
Astaga, Pinamonti, Pinamonti. Aduh.
It's far too easy. Seemed a Bit cynical,
Bolanya,
that's
Pak.
surely a booking.
Yellow card
Comes a
untung
yellow
aja.
card.
Yeah, he's going to have to be careful now, isn't he?
Players waiting in the centre for the lead here.
Marimovic.
Danger here. And good composure to claim the ball.
Forsfeld. Pinamonti.
A lovely ball. There might be
Astaga.
somebody building now. Taking advantage there to win the ball.
Biarin nih. Aduh.
Riccardo Orsolini. There's a sense of real urgency to this attack. Not looking to force the chance just yet.
Yeah, they're keeping it so well, aren't they?
Here we go!
Bayangin aja, bayangin. Astaga. Oke, langsung main. Sekaligus mengakhiri babak pertama ya.
45 minutes to a close.
Anjir, striker kita kayak telek semua, cuk. Oke, kick off babak kedua.
Back underway then, and surely there's better to come. Excellent reading of the
Marimovic.
game to win the ball.
Astaga, operan apa itu Kone? Oke. Ayo tanggung jawab.
Remo Freuler.
Oke, Murik.
Stopped and held by the keeper. Tolsberg. And it's given
Astaga,
away.
pemain-pemain kita mana ini, Pak?
Remo Freuler.
Oke, Bang Jai.
Yeah, dealt with that really well, didn't he?
Half an hour left to play. Matic.
Skelerup,
One to latch onto.
onside.
Played in,
Skelerup.
it could be.
Astaga, tengah terus, cok.
Save from a keeper who's been a spectator all game. And there's going to be a change now. Delivered into the box.
Astaga.
It's away, but not far enough. And at the end of all that, there's nothing doing for them.
Bejes mundur.
Federico Bernardeschi. Charalampos Lykogiannis. Bernardeschi. It's pass after pass, ball and players moving as one. Something could be on with this. And the game will
Okay,
start.
offside. Perang. Oke.
Sub about to come on. We've got 20 to go in this one.
Astaga.
Brilliant anticipation. Excellent progress and it continues. Federico Bernardeschi. Charalampos Lykogiannis. Crucial defending.
Yeah, he's just so brave, isn't he? Puts his body on the line.
Possession given away.
Masa seri lagi Pak, 2 pertandingan. Pemain tengah turun. Males cuk. Nah gitu. Oke, Berardi. Masa saya harus player lock Pak? Oke, sekali Ruk. Ajar. Astaga. Bunuh kiri. Cool. Oke, kesalahan pemain belakang dari Bolonia ya. Nggak langsung dibuang bolanya atau dibuang tapi kena kipernya ya. Paham? Oh iya.
A resumption of a game that's finally given us a goal, and maybe we'll now have a different feel. Could they take advantage here? Time's starting to be the enemy now.
Well, just listen to the atmosphere. The fans certainly still believe that they can get something from the game, and they want just one last push. There is still time.
A good job done to keep it.
Oh, does well there under pressure.
Federico Bernardeschi. Genuine chance here. Now he's in.
Astaga.
A goal that brings great relief to this crowd and brings them level.
Imbang lagi.
What are your thoughts on the away performance here?
Oh, we can see the frustration. They just couldn't hold on. Needed a little bit more.
Ringraziamo il mister per aver accettato di rispondere ad alcune domande.
Tapi lapangan salju ini
Lasciamo
nggak
andare il
enak.
mister che
Kayak kurang aja lah. Oke, ini dia Murik ya. Perkenalkan sebagai pemain baru. Nah, Murik. Tinggi, Pak. Ulu Kewe dipanggil Torino. Balik dia. Oke, nggak apalah. Itu artinya kita bisa memainkan back-back kita seperti Oriental ya. Oke. Turati. Press conference.
Benvenuti a tutti, possiamo cominciare con le domande.
Murik. Pemain yang kita datangkan pertama yaitu Murik sebagai transfer di musim pertama ini.
Non c'è più tempo per...
Cedera. Skelerup. Oh iya. Dan di sini kita bisa masukkan Udental ya. Kita bisa mainkan Alfonsi nanti. Oke, lawan Parma, Mapei Stadium.
Well, it's a real privilege for us to get in there and see a confident boss at work, getting just the right message across for the game ahead. Hello, and thanks for joining us on a lovely day for a game. I'm Guy Mowbray, and I'm joined by the ever-knowledgeable Stuart Robson. We've got a game coming up for you from Serie A. What are your expectations from this?
Well, the atmosphere is building nicely here, and we've got two teams who like to play good football. Let's hope we get a good game here. It should be.
Here's the Sassuolo team sheet.
Well, it's a defensive lineup, that's for sure. But their wing-backs and at least one of their midfield players will need to break forward when they regain possession, just to give them a threat going forward.
Oh, there could be something from the cross here. But it's ended up in the safe hands of the goalkeeper.
Sion Suzuki.
The visitors' team for today.
Well, they're also set up with a back five. But I think key today will be the central midfield. Whichever side dominates that area will be able to get their wing-backs further forward and get them in the play.
Moving nicely and real purpose to this. Staying patient, the defence staying in shape. To edge ahead now. Oh, what a chance.
Astaga.
Oh, that's close. It didn't look possible to score from there.
Well, I'm surprised he went for goal, but it almost paid off for him there. It's a good effort.
Tosbet. Well, he's a player that many have been talking about. Will we be talking about him for the right?
Can he finish it here?
Oh, unless it's tackled away.
Oh, that was so well timed.
This is an excellent run. Chance to
Offside.
get behind here. Now it's on for them.
Astaga.
Near silence in large
Ini
parts
belakang
of the
kita
ground
sih perlu
as the first goal
ada pemain
in the
baru
derby is
masuk.
scored.
Well, here it is again. The ball over the top is an absolute beauty. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
Saya setara JIJS lah.
Nemanja Matic.
Lukewik siapa? Marimovic bagus Pak.
Christian Tosbet. Matic. Andrea Pinamonti.
Astaga, cok gawangi bocok kok mbok tendang tengah kontor. Aduh. Gawang segede gitu tangnya terus anjing.
Pushing forward, and there are choices on.
Oke.
Accepted. Great reading of the game. Nemanja Matic. Domenico Berardi.
Trossard, Fajar.
And it's in. The goal to get us back to level pegging.
Oke. 2 gol dari 18 penampilan ya, Trossard.
Well, here it is again. The through ball is absolutely inch perfect. And he makes
Itu baru yang namanya finishing.
What a good goal that is.
Gak ke tengah terus.
Taking advantage there to win
GG
the ball.
Trossard.
Tosbet. Good spell of patient possession.
You do feel they get a chance soon, the way they're playing.
Nemanja Matic.
Matic.
Turnaround in possession. Excellent positioning.
Oke, JIJS selalu menyala Bang Jai.
Pinamonti. No way through. Possession lost. No way through. That's well kept.
Alah, Kolibali.
Time for some positive wing play now. Cross comes in.
Oke, Bang Jai.
It's not finished yet. It stops there. Nothing at the end of it.
Astaga, menyerang,
That
cok.
whistle, the first half comes to an end.
Wasit kintil.
And of all the players where what? And the game restarts.
Morimovic, bayangi. Baik.
Nicely sets it up.
Bang Jai.
Clearance,
Aduh.
still plenty of threat.
Oke, Bang Jai. Sekali lagi menyalah Bang Jai.
Nothing.
Passing.
Takes the shot.
Astaga,
He went for
hampir
power
aja.
and got plenty of it, but it's whistle.
Alfonsi, mana dari Alfonsi? Fadera boleh lah ya. Skelerup.
Wide.
Hajar.
This has to be.
Astaga, cok, crossbow challenge, cok. Ini bukan crossbow challenge, bangsat, bangsat.
The move breaks down.
Anjir.
Well, they so nearly took the lead there.
Torsvet.
They just
Weh.
have to keep creating these
Sorry,
opportunities.
Stuart, chance here maybe.
Astaga, lihat striker lawan gitu bagus. Finishingnya striker kita kayak manuk bekok, cok. Asu.
And away we go again at 2-1. Domenico Berardi.
Sorry.
Torsvet. Berardi. The attack is over.
Asu.
That's a good bit of
Cok,
defending
cedera,
there.
cok.
This is what they've been looking for.
Aduh.
The counter-attack. Real opportunity. Unbelievable.
Anjir, siapa ini cedera, cok? Berardi kah? Ngentot. Duh, Marimovic. Torsvet nggak usah lah ya.
How has he managed to keep that out? Not his day today, and the call's been made to take him off.
Duel.
This could be it. Crossbar.
Oke,
And
tendangan
over the
gawang.
top, a miss by a small margin. Christian Torsvet.
Astaga,
Struggling to keep it
Torsvet.
here. That set up the chance.
Oke, Alfonsi. Doik.
Oh, he's given it away. Waiting, not trying to force things.
Alah, Doik. Oke, good job, Murik.
Off the keeper, off the post, and danger averted. There won't be discussions, can now end because the
Run, anjing.
has now been confirmed. Exciting times.
Well, at £30 million or thereabouts, he represents good value for money.
Bangsat
He's got a lot
pemain.
of skill, and I think he'll add quality to their squad. There's no doubt about that.
Cok. Asu.
Loriente. Working the ball.
Aduh,
really
gelandang
nicely.
kita anjing kemana semua sih? Aduh, Kone Fadera itu ngapain situ anjing?
Christian Torsvet. Decent looking cross played in.
Offside.
It's ended up being punched away by the goalkeeper.
Ayo, Llorente kintil
Options available in the middle. Lovely setup. Terrific chance.
Offset lah
It
anjing.
should have been scored. Well, he's been key today, but the manager now making a change.
Oke, Alfonsi.
Good work to win it there. Just 10 minutes to go now. Now there's been a goal in the
Aduh,
counter
Llorente
again,
ngoper
and
nggak pernah
Alex got
bener
to
nih
tell us
si
about it.
Puki ini.
Now a goal for Calgary.
Sorry.
They've pulled one back and it's now 3-2 with 82 minutes played.
And Alex will keep us updated. Well, they have to make something
Llorente
out of
ngapain
this.
kamu di situ, bangsat?
Well, it looked
Ngentot
promising,
lah
but only up to
Llorente.
a point. Counter-attack coming, away they go.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Beaten easily here.
Puasa-puasa.
Players waiting
Baik.
in the centre.
Astaga.
And the pass intercepted right at the key point.
Yeah, he makes those interceptions so well.
Oke, Llorente.
Perfect threading through ball.
Astaga, Llorente. Ya Allah.
Really stepped up today. It's time now for some fresh legs.
Jejes.
It goes.
Astaga. Oke,
Well, that brings the match to a
Pertama
close.
kita
A frustrating day for the fans in
penggunaan
attendance.
formasi baru ini.
3 points drop.
It was a hard-fought contest, which neither side could
Penyerang
really
kita bapuk
dominate,
semua,
but
Pak.
the result
Depan,
was
belakang bapuk
they
semua.
need to bounce.
Tengah juga bapuk, anjing.
Grazie per aver accettato di rispondere alle nostre domande.
Gimana lagi, Pak ya?
Ringraziamo il mister per le
Anjir, berapa hari dia? 4 hari untungnya, Pak. Llorente nggak bisa diandelin yuk. Jir, ini malah cedera Berardi. Kita save dulu aja lah ya. Salah. Oke, beberapa pemain kita mengalami kecapean ya. Kita perlu adakan rotasi. Llorente oke, boleh lah. Iannoni. Alfonsi tadi bermain sangat bagus ya. Boloka. Padera boleh main. Atau Volpato aja, oke. Depan, Pinamonti and Pierini ya. Odental boleh kita bawa. Cande, oke, Romanya main ya. Oh, Siong. Anjir, kita nggak bawa back, Pak. Oke. Sipras main. Doik, aduh. Udah pergi, hah? Bentar, pihak Nolo. Anjir, udah pergi berarti. Oke. Kita melawan Juventus dengan skuad yang ya padanya lah. Let's go. Mape Stadium.
All eyes on him as we draw closer to the whistle. All eyes are on him today as we know exactly what he's capable of. The league's top. Well, hello to you and welcome to another exciting game.
Sassuolo
brought to you by
versus
EA TV.
Juventus.
I'm Guy Mowbray, your commentator, with the professionals' view provided by Stuart Robson. And we've got action for you from Serie A coming up. It's Sassuolo facing Juventus.
Well, it doesn't matter how good your players are or what formation they're playing in, you have to earn the right to play. And I'm sure that would have been reiterated by both managers in the dressing room. It promises to be a really good game here.
Delivered into the box.
Frank, sikat.
Taking this on.
Corner.
Off
Okay.
the defender and a corner to
Deflection ya.
come.
Well, they won't get too many chances, so they need to make the most of this.
Siapa ini? Asterfan.
Into the box it goes. Well, not quite fully away
Oke,
here.
Yildiz, Pinamonti berhasil curi. Shooting Boloka.
Well, from
Oke.
so far out, it didn't appear to be
Percobaan
the
kedua
best
ya
option.
dari
Close
Boloka.
though.
Well, he has such good technique. He really did hit that well. He certainly came close there.
Francisco Conceição. Oh, wonderful ball that.
Oke, Kostic. Oke, good job Romanya.
Well, they've defended that really well. They look very
Aduh,
organised
Pras.
there.
Pras kok bengong aja?
For the lead here. And it's
Astaga.
there. They have a goal. And they have the lead.
Si Pras
Well, here it
bengong,
is
Pak.
again. The through ball is absolutely inch perfect. And he makes the finish look so easy. What a good goal that is.
1-0.
1-0 then as we get started again. Aster Vranks.
Juventus sih. Onside dong. Astaga, offside.
Offside the call. Filip Kostic. Weston McKennie. And on to Conceição. Perfectly anticipated, really well won. Vranks.
Astaga. Cuk. Potong jalur passingnya, Pak.
Yildiz. Promising position this.
Matic.
Real
Aduh.
opportunity. It's in. 2 to the good. That little bit of buffer. And it's just a matter
Ya,
of keeping
diobok-obok di
concentration now.
series atau di
Well, you have to ask, where's the defending?
Episode
The
kali ini
keeper
ya.
is completely exposed, but he still had to finish it, and he did it really well. It's a good goal.
Pinamonti.
Astaga, strikernya malah maju semua.
Vranks. Moving the ball really nicely here. That hasn't got far. Delivered into the box.
Doik.
Vranks. Just to spark something.
Astaga,
There it
offside.
is.
Oh, Cuk.
Oh, but the flag goes up.
Anjir,
It's not
jebakan
going to
offside-nya
count.
berhasil
Well, it
terus
was a
sih
close
Juventus.
call, but he is just offside. Good finish, mind you.
Openda. Zagrova. Beautifully
Baik.
weighted ball.
Astaga,
To be
dilepas.
better with the ball.
Astaga.
Oh, who wants that one?
Ya,
That's that.
udah berapa kali offset? 3 kali. Biarin aja.
Juventus trying to get things moving. Conceição.
Oke, Volpato.
Vital tackle, and he's come
Gigi
away
juga
with it.
Volpato ya.
He really did do well there.
Aduh,
And it's on here. I don't know
Astaga.
how to pick that out. A terrific save. And they go short with the corner. And that'll
Oke,
do it.
babak
The
pertama
end of the
selesai.
first 45 minutes here.
tertinggal 2-0, Cuk.
Away we go then for the second half, with Juve very much on top.
Yang bisa ngisi di posisinya Perry ini cuman Berardi sih. Cuman ya kadang finishingnya bapuk, entah akhir-akhir ini bapuk banget, Pak.
Instinct there to cut it out. Served through on a plate here. This has to be
Astaga ya Allah.
clean through, but he's missed
Kenapa
the
semua
target.
pemain
He has to hit the target if he's going for power.
sumpah.
Openda. And they might be in.
Wih,
Still not away here.
bajingur,
A
bajingur.
wonderful attempt.
Well, it's a good effort, difficult technique, but it's just off target.
Fix kita harus beli back sih di bursa transfer nanti.
Well, the transfer everybody's been talking about has now been confirmed, so the will they or won't they discussions can now end.
Well, he's a great talent. Hopefully this move will see him play at his best week in, week out. It's a really good move for everybody.
Yildiz.
Starfrank, aduh diem aja.
Ooh,
Oke, Marimovic.
Yeah, that really did stop the move in its tracks.
Duh,
The Serie A
alah.
continues to come your way here on EA TV.
Baru
And
sekali
Sassuolo
pegang
face
bola
Roma,
langsung kerebut.
A game that could be a cracker. We certainly hope so. Really promising pass.
Kawal, kawal, kawal.
An idea that was easy to read. There's a chance for them to go now.
Lari Pinamonti. Ah,
Can they make something happen
duh,
from this?
salah, Cuk. Sumpah pemain malas semua ini sekarang, anjir.
Attack of genuine promise developing.
Astaga, offside.
Offside. Juventus are making a change now.
JJS habis. Fadera main, oke. Bisa ya. Alfonsi. Skelero kali ya. Udah habis kah? Oke.
And into the last 20 minutes. Luis Openda. And the attack collapses.
Astaga.
That's not a bad looking ball. This is better, but they need to make the pressure count. now.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Maybe one pass too many and they've lost it. Yildiz. Jagroba. Kalulu. Now McKennie. 10 minutes left for play. And possession given away.
Astaga ya
Played through perfectly.
Allah.
But it's been given as offside. The timing's just out.
Dapat bola dioper
Thought he was
offside.
onside, but I think the assistant got that absolutely
Anjing.
right.
Luis Openda. Now with Francisco Conceição.
Aduh, pras. Alah.
Cambiaso.
Oke, Alfonsi.
Where it ends.
Well, they defend those areas really well.
Skelerup lari.
Now there could be an opportunity to counter.
support. Nggak ada.
Conceição. On to Yildiz. Can he finish?
Offside.
Well, that brings the match
Oke.
to a close. A frustrating...
Diobok-obok ya di episode kali ini. Anjir. Turun ke peringkat berapa kita, Pak?
Grazie per averci concesso alcuni minuti per rispondere alle nostre domande. Grazie di nuovo per aver risposto.
Peringkat 6. Oke, Llorente. Anjir. Dia mahal juga ya. Dan juga oke, itu dealnya bisa di 71 ya. Oke, kita negosiasi aja. Karena dia posisi aslinya juga winger kan. Sementara kita nggak butuh winger. Anjir. Market value 65, nawar 56, Pak. Anjir, ini nggak bisa naik sih. 73 dah. 70. Paling mentok. Oke, nggak mau. Lain kali kalau nggak punya uang, nggak usah nawar-nawar lah ya. Bangsat Crystal Palace. Oke, lawan selanjutnya Roma. Sedira. Oke, Berardi. Kita jual aja lah ya. Llorente. Market value termahal siapa, Pak? Llorente kah? Oh ya, Berardi sama Llorente. CIC anjing. Pemain yang Zaki. Jual aja lah. Satalino. Bisa kita jual aja lah ya. 26 tahun. Dan juga Siong. Full Pato. Masih muda semua nih. Pierini. Andrea Pinamonti. Moro 24 tahun. Ini dia Skelerup. Anjir, harganya naik drastis, Pak. Oke. Kita lawan Roma ya. Menggunakan formasi 3-4-2-1. Apa dia bilang tadi? Bentar. Oh, dia minta gaji ya. Kita nego dulu sama Pinamonti. Berapa gaji dia? 21. Oke, 3 tahun bisa lah ya. Tak kasih di 23. Oke. Biar ini Kita lihat aja nanti lah ya. Oke. Muaremovic. Jadi Romanya main bagus sih. Odental boleh lah. Sipras kurang menjanjikan. Alfonsi main bagus, anjir. Kita kasih starting ya. Moro kasihan, Pak.
A manager dealing with mounting pressure, a team that desperately... Well, hello to you and welcome to another exciting game brought to you by EA TV.
Roma.
I'm Guy Mowbray, your commentator, with the professionals' view provided by Stuart Robson. And we've got a game for you today from Serie A. It's Roma and they play Sassuolo.
Well, they've got everything needed for a good game here. Two motivated teams, a vibrant atmosphere and some very good players. Let's hope we're not disappointed.
Anjir, 3 orang yang ngepres yo.
Mario Hermoso starts
Siap.
alongside Evan Endika in the
Oke,
centre back
kita
positions.
buat mereka
They go
capek
with
aja.
Just one in attack. This is the lineup for the visitors.
Well, it looks like they're going to play in a 3-4-3 formation without wing-backs, which means the outside centre-halves will need to cover the areas out wide, which I would say is asking a lot.
Well, with the record they've built against this team, the manager certainly looks calm and confident.
Yeah, they'll be looking to add to their impressive record in these games.
Astaga, Kone.
And they go under no real pressure.
Astaga,
Lead.
untung murid, Pak.
Big save.
Si Cande mana tadi?
And the corner is fired in.
Pinamonti heading aja.
Plenty of threat. Oh, he tried to power it in, and composure was surely the key. Needs possession, but will a goal to give them the lead come at the end of it? But unable to find
Astaga,
the killer
Pinamonti
pass in
nggak
the end.
maju dong setelah hopper. Anjir. Mundur.
This is looking better with every stride. Played into the penalty area.
Anjir.
It's been well watched by the
Kita
goalkeeper.
kemana, cu?
Pinamonti. Now there might be a chance as they keep it moving. This has to be. And the first blow is delivered. 1-0.
Harus selebrasi ini dulu kah biar menang? Nah, akhirnya bisa nemu celah ya.
Shows great awareness to play this through ball, and then through on goal, he just goes for power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great
Domenico
finish.
Berardi.
1-0 then as we get started again. Wrench. That's a lovely ball. The help is only building now. And a firm grip kept on the ball.
Matic. Alfonsi. Alfonsi DM masa depan kita lah jelas ya.
And keeping the lead.
Yeah, it's all going right from
Jai
here.
Ijes.
Torsbet.
Astaga, Pinamonti. Harus di false nine dua-duanya ya. Anjir. Ntar.
Stefan El Shaarawy. Moving the ball well, looking for that equaliser. sets it up. To square things up.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Nothing to split them once more.
Well, as you can see, this is a wonderful strike. He makes the perfect connection, and he has so much pace in it. It's a great goal.
Brilliant
Passing
anticipation.
doik.
Good reading of the game.
Wis. Alphonsi sih, GG sih.
Berardi. Space out wide, and they're using it.
Oke, Pinam Berardi.
Great pace here. And there it is. He's doubled up for the day.
GG. Andrea Pinamonti 2 gol kali ini ya.
Well, just look at this. That was so close to
Anjir, umpannya keren, Pak. Kosong sekali.
They all count.
Pertahanan dari Roma.
So it's 2-1 as the game restarts.
Oke. Astaga, nggak
Deceptive,
nyampe.
great reading of the game.
Oke, babak pertama,
That
skor
whistle brings
2-1.
the first half to a close.
Oke, kalau misal diganti gini gimana ya? False 9 tapi attack. GG kali ya.
And so the second half kicks off. Stefan El Shaarawy.
Tutup aja ruang passingnya.
And he didn't get
Offside,
back
kan?
onside quickly enough.
I think everybody in the ground
Kalau
can see that
direbut,
was
Pak,
always gonna be
susah, Pak.
offside.
Domenico Berardi.
Oke, Torswet sendiri kuat. Hajar. Torswet
Brilliant. That really is. Spotted the
Selebrasi
chance and lifted over the
di
keeper
depan
and did it
Ultras Roma.
perfectly.
Siap.
Well, it takes a
Torswet
lot of
ini
skill
salah
to get
satu
that right, and he
perkembangan yang
certainly
sangat
got that.
bagus ya.
It's a brilliant bit of technique.
Maksudnya
What a good
nggak
goal.
cuma dari segi gol dan assist saja, tapi dampaknya pada tim, sering motong build up lawan dan sekarang ngegolin, Pak.
3-1 then as we get started again.
Berarti kalau gini caranya goal getter kita Domenico Berardi dong.
Composure now. And the keeper
Oke,
reads it.
Murik.
Raced to the ball magnificently.
Alphonsi. Wih, keren deep playmaker kita.
The transfer everybody's been
Siap.
talking about has now been
The next
confirmed.
Vitinha.
So the will they or
No,
won't
the
they
next Pirlo.
discussions can now end.
Yes, it's an exciting
Aduh,
move.
Koulibaly.
Hopefully, we'll now see the best of him. But he'll need to settle in quickly to win over the fans. The move suits everybody, I think.
Really
Biarin
good
aja,
work.
biarin aja. Bingung sendiri dia.
Whip it in here.
Hihihi. Menyala Alphonsi tapi passingmu nggak menyala.
Lifted it back in it. And he doesn't
Oke,
score
Murik.
again. Not yet anyway. It's saved.
Well, his
Alphonsi sih
movement and
defense-nya
technique
menyala
and
sih.
goal threat have been really good today. He probably deserved the
Tambah
second
latihan
goal.
strength.
Looking for an angle here.
Wis.
Sensational from the goalkeeper.
Yeah, there's not much you can say about that. It's just a breathtaking stop, isn't it?
Duel.
Ball comes in.
Hampir Pak Ndika.
Hit too hard to get the bend that was needed to score.
Well, that's why Roma are losing here. Just look at those stats. They haven't taken enough of their opportunities, and that's got to
Oke, kalau
improve
gitu ya
at some
kita
point.
nggak wajib mempermanenkan Asterfang
Taking
kan.
possession of the ball.
Anjir, masih bisa
Excellent positioning.
didapetin dong. Alphonsi menyala, Alphonsiku. Oke, Pinamonti seperti oke, Moro boleh kita beri jam terbang ya. Dia speednya berapa sih? 69. Fadera masuk menggantikan Koni. Boloka. No, nanti aja. No. Atau Alfonsi nggak saya ganti sih. Skelerup mungkin main di sini. Boleh. Pierini, Asterfrank. 2 pemain lagi. Anjir, kita nggak punya right back, Pak. Aduh. Padera kali bisa back ya. Lipani di situ atau Boloka. Asterfrank ganti ini ya. Sip. Tap.
Throw in. He's certainly made his mark on the game. Now time for someone else to have a go.
Oke, good job.
How does that happen? Thrown to the opponent.
Moro.
It's a cheap giveaway.
Ajar Moro. Astaga, kontrol bola Moro.
Well, we have more coverage from Serie A coming up for you on EA TV.
Alfonsi.
As Roma face Torino.
Bayangin aja.
Another one to hopefully whet your appetite.
I like the look of that game. The
Bayangin
atmosphere
aja.
is always good inside that stadium, and two very good teams.
Udah pasti bingung itu. Nah,
Try,
kan
and it's comfortably gathered.
Asterfrank, Skelerup.
And into the last 15 minutes. Asterfrank.
Astaga.
Great instinct there to cut it out. Paulo Dybala.
Skelerup.
Now there could be a break on. Has to turn them around.
Astaga, ya Allah. GG sih kipernya. Itu kiper sih, Pak. Kita itu si Moro udah ngarahin ke kiri ya. Cuman kipernya GG sih. Padera mengambil corner.
Well, a kick played in. Straight into the keeper's hands. A waste. And it comes down to the final
Oke,
5
Alfonsi.
minutes. Looking for something on from this. It's a big miss. And that
Oke.
could mean game
Hah,
over.
penalti?
Yeah, that had to go in, Guy.
Anjir, tackle-nya telat, Pak. Untung nggak penalti.
Well, as you can hear, the fans think that should have been a penalty, but I'm not convinced.
Well, if they keep the ball, they win the game. It's simple.
Yeah, they're in total control here.
That's not a bad looking ball.
Anjir, Dika. Oke,
And the referee
kemenangan pertama
brings the game to
di
a close.
episode kali ini ya.
The points going back with the visitors.
Well, fairly comfortable in the end, wasn't it? Thought they controlled the middle of the park well.
Rasa AS Roma. Match performance, saya pengen lihat ratingnya si Alfonsi 7,3 cuman, Pak. Harusnya 7 di atas 7,5 sih dia. Murik dengan 6 penyelamatan. Berardi dengan 2 gol 1 assist. Pinamonti belum comeback dia.
Grazie mister, è un piacere averla ai nostri microfoni.
Oh, don't play with Alfonsi performance ya. The next Pirlo nih, bos. Ntar saya sampai nggak ngecek ini, Pak, apa? Jendela transfer sekarang bulan apa? Anjir, Januari? Ya, tutup lah. Dibuka ya? Oke. Kita transfer dulu ya. Anjir, Alfonsi ditawar dong. Sissoko, oke, dari CB kita butuh CB. Dosena 4 juta. Zach Abbott. Anjir, tapi dosennya berapa, 27 tahun. Patrick Peda. Tinggi sih dia. Marco Iveki. Nicolo Bertola. Kotska. Kevin. Franco Carboni. Mumba. Ntar budget kita berapa, Pak? Wih, 4M. Oh, berarti itu cabut tadi udah langsung ya? Oke, kita lihat squad kita dulu yang perlu dijual siapa aja. Pierini. Ratingnya bagus sih. Tapi jual aja. Volpato masih bisa. Llorente kita jual. Lipani masih bisa kita kembangkan dan Iannone juga. Buluka masih kita pakai ya. Torsvet tentunya nggak kita jual. Alfonsi anjir. Right back sama pemain belakang lah intinya. Ntar dari akademi dulu. Anjir. Beneran kelupaan, selalu kelupaan saya, Pak. Oke, kita cari dua posisi ini ya. Defender, stopper, sama deep playing. Enggak sih. Kita butuh aja itu pemain belakang. So, jadi taking wing back. Ini aja. Oke. Untuk selanjutnya Ibrahima Sissoko, 28 tahun, Pak. Ntar Christopher Lund. Atau kita boleh lah ya cari-cari yang gratisan. Free agent, defensive, cari usianya yang anjir, rata-rata pemain Timur Tengah ya. Jasim Gaber, Vilekoski, anjir siapa ini, Pak? Wah, ini pasti mahal sih. Hah? Ntar. Oke, boleh. Oh iya, ini kan pemain gratis ya. Dion Mark. Oke. Dion Mark. Kita shortlist ya. Ini main di Liga Indonesia di klub apa gitu ya. Ntar saya masih Leoni. Giovanni Leoni. Oke. Dan juga Scalvini. Kalau Scalvini pasti mahal sih, Pak. Karena dia main di Serie A kan. Kalau Giovanni Leoni ya oke. Anjir. Enggak lah, dua pemain ini masih saya perlukan. Oke. Oke. Transfer itu akhir ditutup kapan ya? Masih lama, sekitar berapa hari lagi. Terus untuk striker juga, Pak. Anjir. Ada no striker nggak kita ya? Anjir, 21 juta. Duit dari mana ini, Pak? Oke, kita cari pemain-pemain free agent aja lah ya. Free agent. Attack striker. Oke. Manat Ali. Tim tank semua, Pak. Bruno. Umar Faraj. Kuri, Daniel Kuri. Ya, ada yang menarik, mungkin usianya kita tambah kali ini ya. Anjir, itu udah 35 padahal, Pak. Striker emang langka sih. Alvaro. Striker nggak usah lah ya. Oke. Sambil sebat aman lah ya. Llorente tawar oleh Juventus. Kalau kita bisa jual dia di harga yang mahal, di atas market value-nya, kita bisa bentar. 65. Oke, kita negosiasi jadi 75 lah ya. Juventus klub kaya kan? Anjir, 65 dong. 73 deh. Ambil. Anjir, nggak mau dia, Pak. Oke. Tardion Max tadi mana ya? Anjir, masih 10. Ini, Pak. Anjir, oke. Kita advance dulu. Atletico Madrid. Berapa dia nawar? Anjir, 64. Ya udah 71 aja lah kita tawarin. Diego Simeone. Terima. Anjir, 66. 69. 66 300, oke lah, accept aja. Oke. Skelerup kita bawa lah ya. Alfonsi. Anjir, ini ngapain? Dental. Rumahnya tadi sempat bermain bagus ya. Oke, kita bisa starting 11 lah. Gas. Stadio Diego Armando Maradona.
Well, what a game we have in store for you today. The hype has been building all week, and we're just moments away from kick-off time. Stay tuned for the live action. Well, sometimes as a footballer, you have to get used to playing in a downpour. That could be the case this evening. The rain has been
Stadion
lashing down.
Diego Armando
My name is
Maradona.
Derek Ray, and I'm joined for commentary by the former Arsenal and West Ham player Stuart Robson. And the focus is very much on Serie A, the top division here in Italy. It's Napoli, and they face Sassuolo.
Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players that are missing, but so often it's the mentality of the players that is key to winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right attitude today is the big question.
And a glance at the Napoli side.
Well, the two wide players are great in 1v1 situations. And their
Politano.
movement
Oke,
is also
Torsved
very
ini yang saya
good. It's the
maksud ya.
midfield three that will need to
Pemotong
control
serangan
the
kita,
flow of the game.
Torsved.
Well, the manager is entitled to feel confident
Kone.
based on previous history.
Kayak
they'll be
melawan
looking to
Kevin
add
De
to their
Bruyne sih,
impressive
Pak.
record in these games, that's for sure.
Opportunity here.
Oke, JJS.
Easy meet for the goalkeeper. Filippo Romagna. Ismail Kone. Well, Sassuolo were the winners when last we saw
Alfonsi.
them against Roma.
Matic
How
maksudnya.
do you think this one will go, Stuart?
Yes, to win 3-1 away from home, you have to.
Wonderful
Astaga.
header. Excellent goalkeeping.
Alex Meret kah penyelamatan tadi? Oke, Antonio Conte.
Trying to deliver it accurately.
Menyola Banjai.
Can be the
Anjir.
goalkeeper's best friend. And he really is danger personified, but in this game, Stuart, what do you think we might see from him?
Astaga,
Last game
Matic.
was absolutely outstanding. It wasn't just the 2 goals that he scored, but it was his general play, his link-up play, his ability to run beyond defenders, his ability on the ball to create. And I think we're going to see more of the same today.
Biarin aja, bingung pasti dia.
Good weight on that pass.
Nah, kan. Berardi.
And Sassuolo come
Oke,
away with
Torsved.
it.
Ntar nggak usah.
Torsved.
Astaga, ya ampun. Doi kosong, kenapa ngoper ke Berardi? Oke, Matic.
To them for winning back possession.
They won the ball at just the right time there.
Torsved. Annoyingly, there it breaks down. Giovanni Di Lorenzo. Pele. Amir Rahmani. Scott McTominay. And now with Di Lorenzo. Well, nicely cut out. Now what can they do with the ball?
Jujur, kenapa kipernya maju cuk? Murid kok.
Jades is... Matic. Now a decent position. Not the clearance that was called for. And a goal to tell you about in the Torino match, but who has scored it?
Astaga, Koulibaly. Tanggung jawab Koulibaly.
Alex, thank you very much.
Udah, biarin aja. Bingung itu. Tuh.
Giovanni Di Lorenzo.
Nah, kena kan?
Very quick thinking there.
Astaga.
Nice looking pass. Giovanni Di Lorenzo. It's with McTominay. A good vision.
Duel.
Given away by Napoli.
Oke, babak
The
pertama.
first half here comes to an end. So
Pak Guru.
back underway. Defenses on top the story so far.
Oh, ini stadion
Well, that
otentik
situation
kah?
changed.
Aduh.
defending.
Woyo Koulibaly.
Matic
James
mana?
Matic on the ball.
Maju doi.
Well, the focus in recent days has been on West Ham to a large extent, and now we can say that the transfer is official, and the
Corner.
fans no doubt delighted.
Well, he's a great talent. Hopefully this move will see him play at his best week in, week out. It's a really good move for everybody.
Duel.
Well, a bit short with the clearance.
Doi. Matic.
Well, body in the way. Jades is Koulibaly.
Astaga.
Noah Lang. Well, it should be a thrilling match in Serie A, the one we've got coming up for you on EA TV. It's Sassuolo, and they'll be facing Cremonese.
Well, the fixtures are coming thick and fast.
Biarin,
Should be a good
muter-muter
game,
situ
that.
aja itu.
Hopefully I've not just given it the commentator's curse.
Real chance.
Oke, Murik.
Exactly what was required.
Seperti biasa lah ya. Menambah daya gedor kita.
Time for the change now.
Just listen to these fans. They're urging their
Anjir, sumpah mak, gak ada yang kuat duel.
Might be going in. Well, behind for another corner.
Oke.
And did just enough defensively. And you averted for now, but it'll be another corner.
Asu Lukaku.
Won't keep the header down.
Well, he's attacked it well, made decent contact, but he couldn't keep it down enough, could he?
Christian Torstved. Torstved.
Onside lah.
And the
Astaga,
decision
offside.
offside here. Giovanni Di Lorenzo.
Well, as you can see, Napoli have controlled the possession in the last 15 minutes and created a hatful of chances. But when you're enjoying that amount of possession, you need to make it count.
Yes, it's going to plan, and they might be able to carve out another chance. Delightful pass. Can they produce something? And in a perfect position to cut it out. Domenico Berardi.
Oke, Pinamonti.
Pinamonti. Oh, what an opportunity.
Astaga, itu kiper sih yang dulu.
For the keeper to stop it.
Brilliant save from that sort of range.
Oke, Skelerup. Volpato. Odental. Anjir.
She had no right to stop that.
And they're making a change. And there's the delivery.
Astaga.
Never quite had the header on the target.
Astaga, mana cok gelandangnya ini?
Giovanni Di Lorenzo. Oh, good vision. Oh, this looks useful. To put them ahead.
Oke, Murik.
Well, what a final few minutes we have here. And the fans are
Duh,
certainly playing
supportnya
their part.
telat, Pak.
Can they take one of these chances that come their way and win this
Astaga.
game?
Right, I'm hearing in my ear there's been a goal in the Torino game. That means we go to Alex Scott.
Biarin aja, biarin aja.
Sorry, Alex, could be a goal here.
Astaga.
He does! And with so little time left, that might be the winner. Wonderful drama. And upon Apologies to Alex for having to interrupt her. Confirmed Torino have scored in that match, and their advantage at the moment stands at 2-0. Lobotka.
Slidingnya bagus ya Ponsi.
Taking into account all the stoppages, 2 minutes to be added on.
Passing.
Giovanni
Aduh.
Di Lorenzo.
Kok teman sendiri sih sliding anjir?
Save that keeps them believing.
Well, he's given them a chance with that
Habis
save, as you
ini.
said. But will they get another opportunity? I'm not sure.
And that will be all for this game. Defeat for the visitors, that's the big story.
There was very little in it for much of the game. I'm sure they feel they deserve a point at least. And it's obviously disappointing to continue.
Aduh.
La ringrazio per aver accettato di venire ai nostri microfoni. Abbiamo finito. Grazie di nuovo.
Pierini 6,7 oke lah. Kita negosiasi dulu. Anjir. $69 Pak. 74. Oke. Left back kita perlu cari lagi. Boloka. Oke, untuk pertandingan selanjutnya akan melawan Cremonese dan kita akan membeli beberapa pemain ya dan menjual beberapa pemain. Dan sekian episode kali ini. Langsung saja saya akhiri. Kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf. Akhir kata wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.